Ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can display the formula of the formula or the function as a text string in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes, whenever you want to look or to see which formula you have used or which formula someone have used, you have to hover the cursor and select the cell which contains the function. For example, when I select this cell which contain the schedule payment, when I click on this, then I go and check in the formula bar. I can be able to see the formula that was used. If I select this one, I can also get the formula in the formula bar. Or the other way is by double clicking on the cell, and then the formula will have to display on top of that cell. Likewise, when I click on that, so you realize sometimes it may look frustrating to some people because they don't actually want to double click or go ahead and look into the formula bar. So instead, we are going to use a function which will display the formula as a text string. So what I'm going to do, I will go ahead and select one of the cell. I'll go ahead and select one of the cell, and then from there, what I will do, uh, I will go ahead and uh, sorry about that. What I will do, I'll go ahead and input the formula by first typing an equal sign. So whenever I type equal sign, of course, Excel will know that I want to do a calculation. So I'll go ahead and type the function, which is the formula text. Let the Excel knows what I'm trying to do. By entering formula text, this will turn a formula as a string. So I go ahead and select that, and then I open the parenthesis. Now I have to put the reference. What is the reference cell? So I'm going to put this reference cell, which is scheduled payment. Then from there, I'll close the bracket. When I press enter, now you can see the formula will be displayed as a string. So if I want to do this, I can go ahead and use the same function, but this is a wastage of time, guys. I told you, whenever you have this scenario, what you do, you have to hover the cursor on the angle. You see something like a dot, then when you put a cursor there to change to a plus, and this one means you are trying now to use a fill handle. So you just click on that and then drag. I don't know how to extend the series of the other functions. So by doing that, now literally all this will do what? Will come automatic. But now you see that I have the formula which is similar, so meaning that whenever this was done, they used what we call the absolute value. So I think you learn about absolute and relative cell referencing. So what I'm going to do, I can go ahead and use the function by saying equal sign, then formula text, then from there formula text, then I go ahead and select the cell, close the bracket. Then when I press enter, I can see this was the function or the formula which was used, and this is being displayed as a text value. Then for the other one, I go ahead and put equal sign, then say formula text. I put the cell reference, close the bracket, and then press enter. That is that. Then this one the same. I use the formula text. I get the cell reference, close the bracket, and that is that. Then go equal sign, formula text, and then I get this cell reference, I close the bracket, press enter, and then so now you can see I have all the formulas, all the functions that were used in order to display or to get the outcome or the result of this. And now all these are now being displayed as text strings, so anyone can easily know that for me to come up with this, I use this formula. For me to come up with this, I use this formula. So that one becomes easy and the best way to save time and also to ensure that everything becomes easy on your side. I want to thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video for other tricks in Microsoft Excel.